Okay, today we'll talk about calling a void method. We'll understand what the method, how we use it, and all of these things. First of all, what is a method? The method is a behavior of the object. So we understand the previous time that using the OOP, object-oriented programming, we have object, and this object need to do some behavior, some actions using methods. We have main method, means the basic method, the first method to run during my class. So we have as well the main method in Java, and then the main method syntax in Java as well. We understand the public static void main in Java, and we will know how to create a non-static void method, call a non-static void method, how to call it, and if we just use void method without parameters or with parameters as well, and just to understand how it's working, because we have sequential execution, it means we have steps to run in a program. Whenever we just call a method, we just go and run the method, finish it, and go in the same just to continue the same steps. Look at this one, the main method in Java. It's like the entry point, means the start point. It means where we have to start. When you just open, if you just want to run any class, any program, a small program, it means you just the program will just want to understand from where to start. So this is the start point for any program, as you can see right now. And that's also be very easy when you just understand the meaning of it. There's public. Public means you can just access outside this class. This is public. Public static, that's very important. To run any method, you need the object to run the method. You need the object to run the method. But in this case, when you just make it static, it means this is, you make it class method. It's a class method. So no need for the object, you can run it directly. Void, it means we have two types of methods. We have void and we have return type. We can just come into this point. But void, it means does not return any value. And we have another type of method which is return value. This is main, which is very important. The name of the method is main, and it's very important because once you just make main, it means you tell the computer that you have to start from this point. And that's exactly what we already explained. Look at this one. This is a method. How the method do? First, you just type public or private. It's up to you. You just make it public or private. Static or even non-static. So static, it means it can work without object. Void, it means we have two. Void, this is a return type. It's void. Method name, this is the method name. And look at the method name, which you can when you just type it, display line, and you put the L capital over here. This is the method body. So you just start open. This is a parenthesis, and then curly parenthesis. You just put the method body, as you can see right now. The job of this method just to make at underscore. It's like to create one line under the object when we call this method. So let me just do the practical task from you just to understand how to do it, and go step by step. First step, create a class with name design. I just go to the Eclipse and say new class, and just name it design. Press finish. That's good. I said public class design, and even no need for the constructor right now, so I can just remove it, or I can keep it as okay. But look at the second step. Create a method title to print title Java. Oh, that's easy, very easy to make up a method. It's very similar to the constructor. You just type public or private as you like. If you want to be inside only this class, public void main. Display at this time. Okay, it doesn't matter. So public what? Public, you can just make the title, but this would be static or not static? Not static. So I just type void, yes, title, and I put parentheses, and then I will add whatever I want here. Like imagine I just type system.out.println what? Title or println Java. This is the title here will be Java. So don't forget, you just close it. To create the code is easy because this is the start point to understand how to do it. The second step, I make create a subtitle, to print subtitle content, a method named the subtitle. So I don't want to make it again, so I just make subtitle. So this is title, just, and see it as well here, because you make two names as well, so you just name it subtitle as well. Subtitle, this subtitle is just type content. Good. Till now we just made two methods, and we understand how to. We already made two methods, as you can see right now. Look at this second one. Create a method to draw line. I make it draw line, and you can just understand how this method was working as well. So overall, I just click over public void draw line, and inside draw line I just will make it a small method just to make a line. So I say for int x is equal 1 and x is less than, I made the object by the way less than 80, and x is plus plus. So in this case, sorry, this is semicolon. In this case, I just will repeat this action 80 times, 1 2 till just 80, from 1 till 80, or you can just start from 0 to 8 as you see. So system dot out dot println what println underscore. So please, whenever I just ask you to do it, you print this underscore. You can just make space, you can just add space, you can do it whatever you like, and so on. Right. I made right now 3 methods. So let me just add this one here. Create 3 void methods. So this is how to create 3 void methods. How to call this method? By the way, you cannot. This method will not work. If we click over to start the program, nothing will be happening here, because there's nothing to be done. Because you made a method, but there's no object to call this method to run. So to do the action, you just wanted to make it one object, or even more than one object, to call this method and just do it. Well, how do the object? You just go overall and look at the class or constructor as well. So this design and design as well. So you can just use it like design. Let me just make design 1, or design, make it just, you can just name it as you like, design title new of design. In this case, if I just use the first one, the void, the first one, design, new design of what? New design, that's it. So look, this is the first one. So design is equal new design, and look at this one, design title is equal new design. So look at this one, because I want just to make a new design. This is building constructor. So I said design inside the void name, make design title is equal new design. I can just make design title dot, and then I call one of these methods. You understand? So I call one of them. Like, imagine this, the first title will just call the title. To make the title, I just make design title, and I add dot what? You remember the first one was title. This method was just title. And after this, I just design title dot, and then I just go over all and then draw line. So in this case, this will print the title and make draw lines. Can make 2 lines exactly. So you just type design title dot draw line. Here I just make or create another object to make the subtitle. What is it? Another. What is the problem here? Okay. I just make another one, so design to another, make another one, another design. Let me just make it another. Design what? I said design subtitle, or design title 2, or whatever. Just design sub, or even design sub only is equal new design. Now essentially, as you can see right now, say design sub dot what? Dot subtitle. Design sub dot subtitle design. Then you just go and understand to bring the draw line, only one draw line, so design sub dot draw line, and that's it. Let me show you how the program is working. As you can see right now. Oh, can you see this now? They draw with Java, then 80, then a lot of things. So because here in the draw line, I add something that's not correct, which is add ln. So let me just make it without ln, and we could make it a new line as well. So showing me again this file. Oh, that's good. So the first one, you write Java, and then you put 2 lines. Well, where's the second one? The second one overall here, so design subtitle, design sub dot subtitle. Where's the subtitle? Do I have a subtitle? Subtitle content. It should be content as well. Systems up println content. Oh, can you see this contents here? So contents here is println. So overall, after println, I just make it over here system.out.println just empty, to be easy for you to understand how it's working. So oh, that's good, but this one should be outside, not inside. Outside this one. So after you make this line 80 times, just make one space line over here, print line, that's it. So overall, okay. Oh, great. Now see this. So Java, and then after Java you have 2 underscore lines, and then the contents, and after it you have only one line. I'm sure that's easy for you now to understand how to make methods. Just now we created 3 void methods, and we created also 2 objects, and we call these methods to do the actions and so on. I hope you understand how to use the void methods. Thanks.